Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form quake. V2 past form quaked. V3 past participle quaked. V4 present par, quaking. V5 SES quakes. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb quake? Answer. The base form of the verb quake is quake. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb quake? Answer. The past form of the verb quake is quaked. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb quake? Answer. The past participle of the verb quake is quaked. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb quake? Answer. The present participle of the verb quake is quaking. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb quake? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb quake is quakes.
Verb prompts example sentences.
V1 the ground begins to quake during the earthquake. V2 the entire building quaked when the explosion occurred. V3 she had quaked with fear after hearing the ghost story. V4 the dog is quaking in fear during the thunderstorm. V5 he quakes with nervousness every time he speaks in public.
Subscribe my channel.